Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming ports and adapters because that determines your connection method. Once done, power each monitor and set the correct input source so the laptop can see it. Plug one external display into the laptop first and wait for the system to detect it. If nothing appears, reseat the cable and try a different port. Doing this first prevents confusion later when arranging displays and saves time diagnosing connection errors. Once the laptop detects the monitor, open the display settings to tell the OS how to use it. Choose Extend to get more desktop area or Mirror to duplicate your screen. Pick a primary display so menus and new windows appear where you want. Then, set each monitor's resolution and scaling to its native values and adjust refresh rate for smooth motion. Make sure orientation and arrangement match physical placement, so the cursor You finish by aligning monitors physically and in the settings so the cursor flows naturally across screens. Save display profiles or docking presets if your OS or GPU tool supports them. This speeds switching between home and travel. Learn the keyboard shortcut to toggle display modes so you can quickly switch to projectors. If something goes wrong, update or reinstall GPU drivers, swap cables or ports, and restart the laptop. Those steps fix most detection and black screen issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.